How to freeze a frame on CapCut PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can freeze a frame on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go on through this video. In order to freeze a frame on CapCut PC, you want to simply go ahead and open up the particular clip, right? So here, let me just open up another one here. So you want to play the video, so let me just add in a simple animation so it is not just a video, right? Now you want to simply go ahead and head over to the part that you wish to freeze the frame on. So let me just select this particular part here, right here. Now you can use the arrow icon, the direction arrow icon on your keyboard to select the particular frame to get the particular frame. Then once you have the frame, here now you should be able to find the option to freeze it. So you can see crop here, you can see rotate here, you can see the mirror, and you can see the freeze icon here. Now since this is a picture, there is no any freeze icon. You can see the freeze icon here, it says freeze, but I'm not being able to use it since this is just a particular picture. If I had used a video, then I could simply tap on freeze and go ahead and freeze and extend the length of it and go and freeze it. So this is how you can freeze a frame on CapCut PC. You'll get the freeze icon right there above the timeline beside the marker. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.